In this session, we will look at how to highlight cells with a certain color depending on the values of those cells. The feature is called conditional formatting. In our example, we have a list of suppliers with different costs. Suppose we'd like to highlight all the cells containing a value greater than £8. First, let's select all the cells. Now we click Conditional Formatting, and in this drop-down menu, let's hover over Highlight Cells Rules. There are several options here, but we're interested in greater than. Let's click it. Here we need to set the threshold value. In our case, it's £8. So all costs above this value will be highlighted in the colour of our choice. By default, it's red, but here we can change it if we want to. Let's keep it red for now and click OK. As you can see, all values above 8 are highlighted now. If we want to remove this conditional formatting, we need to select our data again. Click Conditional Formatting and then click Clear Formatting from the selected cells. We could also clear it from the entire worksheet. There are other useful formatting tools. For example, let's explore the top-bottom rules. Here we can set rules, such as highlight all cells above average or highlight the bottom 10% of the values, but we can adjust this percentage. We can also use formulas for conditional formatting. Suppose we'd like to highlight all suppliers from a particular location. Let's highlight all suppliers from Bath. First, I'm going to select all cells. Now let's click Conditional Formatting and create a new rule. We will use a formula to determine which cells to format. So let's choose this option in the menu. Then let's enter a formula. All formulas start with the equal to symbol. Then we say that we want to format cells if the value in column B is Bath. So we type cell B1 here and use a dollar symbol as an absolute cell reference to specify that we're interested only in column B. Then it should be equal to Bath. Don't forget about the double quotation marks. Now let's choose how we want to format those cells. Let's highlight them in green, for example. Now let's click OK. And that's it. Excel has highlighted all rows with suppliers from Bath in green.